DIY Succulent Planter, a simple and easy project. Introduction. Welcome to our tutorial on how to make a DIY succulent planter. In this video, we will show you how to create a unique and stylish planter for your succulents using materials that are easy to find and inexpensive. This project will take you approximately 15 minutes. Materials. For this project, you'll need a wooden block or log, drill, measuring tape, sandpaper, paint or stain of your choice, optional, paintbrush or roller, optional, succulent plants, potting soil, small rocks or gravel. Instructions. Step 1. Sand down the wooden block or log to smooth out any rough spots. Step 2. If desired, apply paint or stain to the wooden block or log using a paintbrush or roller. Allow the paint or stain to dry according to the manufacturer's instructions. Step 3. Measure and mark the spots on the wooden block or log where you want to drill holes for the plants. Step 4. Use a drill to make holes in the marked spots. The holes should be slightly larger than the size of the succulent plant's roots. Step 5. Fill the bottom of the holes with small rocks or gravel. This will help with drainage. Step 6. Carefully remove the succulent plants from their current pots and loosen the roots slightly. Step 7. Plant the succulent plants in the holes in the wooden block or log, filling in around the roots with potting soil. Step 8. Water the succulent plants until the soil is evenly moist. Step 9. Step back and admire your new DIY succulent planter. Conclusion. And that's it. You've just created a stylish and unique planter for your succulents that is not only easy to make but also a great way to bring nature into your home. This DIY project is a great way to recycle and reuse materials and is also a great way to save money. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and we can't wait to see your finished product. Remember to post your pictures in the comments section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more DIY projects like this one. Thanks for watching.